In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change database name for WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, log in into your cPanel and open phpMyAdmin, then you will jump into this page. Here, click on the database that you want to rename. Once the database opened, click on Operations. And here you will get this Rename Database to option. Give here a new name for the database. And then click on Go. Okay. And here we can see the database name has been successfully changed. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.